everyone, today in this video I'm going to walk you through the live video monitoring feature for the Roborock Qrevo Edge 2. If you're interested in the Edge 2, the link to it will be in the video description, where you can find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaners, as well as our daily vacuum deals and our newly released and just launched robot vacuum comparison tool. So be sure to check those links out in the description. So we're in our Qrevo Edge 2 app right here. So we have it selected from all of our Roborock devices. So we're in here. We can hit the camera icon, we got to draw our pattern, and then we can get into the live video monitoring. We'll just start in the top left-hand corner. We got the settings icon, we have our remote viewing settings, scheduled cruise options, and our history there. So you can put this on a schedule to cruise around your house at any given time, and then you can see the history of that. So that's pretty neat. Then we got the green icon, so we can talk with two-way audio. Top right-hand corner, we have our map that we can view. We have our pin and go settings. So we can drop a pin and go to that area. We can cruise to multiple areas and start cruising there. We can search for a pet. You can dispatch it and it'll try to go find an animal. And then you'll notice below that we have left and right arrows. So that's how we can drive this ourselves, which is pretty neat. And then left-hand side, we got the up arrow. So now with the remote control, we can go ahead, we could drive it forward as well. So it's coming out of the station, and now we can control it ourselves right there. But there's no photo or video options here to capture. You could just take a screenshot, but that's going to be all that you'll be able to do there. Nothing is built into the software for that functionality. So let's go, let's just have some fun. Let's do a cruise. Let's cruise to the kitchen, and then let's cruise to the family room. Okay, let's do it this way. I want to go over here. And right, that's too close to the chair. All right, so let's try that one more time. Cruise over here, and then cruise over there. I don't know why. I feel like it's putting that spot not where I want it. That's funny. Kind of defaults to its own spot. Okay. Is what it is. Let's start the cruise. And then you can see we can pause or end it now, and then we can also return back to the dock. So now we cruise. It'll go to that spot. First, it'll go to the kitchen. So it's at that spot. It's going to give us a full 360, it looks like. So here we go. Spin around. Now it's going to make its way to the second spot we identified. We do have lights on, but you can see that good contrast there between a really bright hall light and then no light in the other area. Just to get a feel for the camera quality and settings here. Same thing, lines up in that spot, give us a full 360, then it'll go back home and charge. We can turn off that overlay too just by tapping on the screen. Now it's making its way back. Tackles the different floor types without issue. Making its way back to the station. There we go. It's back. It's charging. Simple, straightforward live video monitoring with the ability to see in real time what your vacuum sees.